Electronic stability control, or ESC, has been a standard feature in vehicles since the 2012 model year. With that being said, diagnosing false activation with ABS and stability control systems has become more common as these vehicles have aged. Let's explore the complexity of ESC, the challenges that come with maintaining these systems, and how to diagnose them. When ESC became standard, it added around $400 to the cost of each vehicle. This may be a small increase, but it covered the addition of yaw and lateral acceleration sensors, along with software updates to the ABS module, in turn enhancing vehicle safety. False activations usually come in the form of the ABS modulator taking over braking or intervening to restore vehicle stability when it's not actually needed. Drivers might feel a pulsation or sudden drop in the brake pedal, experience a loss of power, or notice the vehicle pulling in one direction. In some cases, the vehicle might unexpectedly oversteer or understeer. One of the most common issues in older vehicles is ABS activation at low speeds, typically between 3 to 15 miles per hour. This often is due to a wheel speed sensor problem. A weak signal from a sensor can be misinterpreted as a locked wheel, which triggers the computer to activate the ABS system and release brake pressure in an attempt to unlock the wheel. For older systems with passive sensors, cleaning the sensor tip, inspecting the tone ring, and adjusting the air gap can often resolve the issue. Newer vehicles with active or magneto-resistive sensors are less prone to these problems, but they're not immune. Debris buildup on the sensor tip is less common. It can form on the magnets on the reluctor ring and the outer seal of some sensors over time. Fortunately, more advanced modules in these systems can often distinguish between a locked wheel and a sensor problem, deactivating the system and illuminating the ABS warning light instead of causing false activations. False activations in the ESC system can be trickier to diagnose because the problem might involve multiple sensors or even alignment issues. Your customers might not even notice the issue until there's a mechanical problem with the brakes, such as one wheel being covered in brake dust. When diagnosing these issues, start by asking your customer when and where the problem occurs. Then, inspect the brakes for uneven wear and look for signs of excessive brake dust on individual wheels. Lastly, use a scan tool to observe readings from the steering angle, accelerometer, and yaw sensors. Calibration procedures using a scan tool can often resolve many of these problems. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.